Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to browse channels in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Slack application or go to Slack website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. There are two main ways to browse channel in Slack. First of all, you can use the channel list to browse the channel. The channel list is located at the sidebar. As you can see here, you can see all the channels available in your workspace. Browse to any channel that you like, or just you can use the navigation shortcut which is located on the top menu bar. Here, enter the name of the channel that you like. Then it will appear in your screen. Or just press Ctrl+K and start searching for the channel name. This is how you can browse channels in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.